Good morning, children. How are you all? So, children, join your hands and get ready for the prayer before starting the session. Okay? So, let's start. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Namaha. Okay? Very good. Now, children, we will start with the literacy subject. Okay, tell me which alphabet you can see on your screen. Alphabet X, right? We have practiced uppercase and lowercase alphabet X in your literacy skill sheet book, right? So now it's time to learn the sound, the phonics song, and I will narrate a story, alphabet story of X. Okay, but before that, first I will tell you which all pages you have to practice in your brown cover capital and small letter book. Okay, so children, this is your page number 77 in your brown cover capital and small letter book. Okay, in on this page you will practice uppercase, that is capital alphabet X. Okay, X for xylophone and X for Xmas tree. Okay, children. After this, turn to your next page, page number 78. In this page, you will practice lowercase, that is small letter X. Okay. What are the words given starting with the letter X on this page? X for xenops, X for X-ray. Okay. Okay, children. Now, after this, come to the next page, page number 79. On this page, you will practice uppercase as well as lowercase alphabet X together. Okay, these are the three pages which you are going to practice today in your brown cover capital and small letter book. Okay, children? So, children, now it's time to learn the sound of X. What is the sound of X? Tell me. Yes, the sound of X is S, S. Okay. Yes, it sounds like S, but the sound of S is X. Fox, fox. Okay. Here is the phonics song of alphabet X. The fox is in the box, the fox is in the box. S, 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 s. The fox is in the box. Okay, this is the phonics song of alphabet X. Okay, children, now let's start with the alphabet story. So, children, here is the alphabet story for letter X. Princess Xenia and her xylophone. Okay, children, so let's start with the story. Princess Xenia. There was a princess. What was her name? Xenia. And her little brother Prince Xena. प्रिंसेस को एक छोटा भाई था, उसका नाम क्या था? Xena. Okay, they both live in a palace. You all know na, princess and prince lives in a palace. Yes, so Xenia and Xena lives in a palace in the magical land of Zalala. Okay, in the magical land of Zalala. One day they find a big golden egg. Prince and princess, they both went to play in the garden. So what they found in the garden? In the garden, they found a big golden egg. You can see the golden egg on your screen? Yes? Yes. They both found a big golden egg in the garden. They sit around it. वो दोनों उस गोल्डन एग के बाजू में बैठ गए. The egg cracks after some time. You all know na that the egg cracks. Yes. After some time, the egg started cracking. A baby dragon comes out of it. जैसे ही एग क्रैक हुआ, उसमें से कौन बाहर आया? Baby dragon. It means the egg was of a dragon. Zeno starts crying. The prince got scared after seeing the baby dragon and he started crying. Xenia runs inside the palace. When Xenia's brother started crying, she got worried and she ran inside to the palace and comes back with a xylophone. You all know na xylophone? Yes. सो जीनिया यूज टू लव टू प्ले जाइलोफोन और जैसे ही उसने देखा कि उसका लिटिल ब्रदर रो रहा है वो दौड़ के अपने पैलेस में गई और अपना जाइलोफोन लेकर आई. देन शी प्लेस अ स्वीट सॉन्ग ऑन द जाइलोफोन. जीनिया ने एक स्वीट सॉन्ग जाइलोफोन पे प्ले किया. आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू द सॉन्ग द बेबी ड्रैगन फॉल्स asleep. बेबी ड्रैगन को गाना सुन के नींद आ गया एंड द बेबी ड्रैगन फॉल्स asleep. Zeno and Xenia, prince and princess, started jumping with joy. They jumped with joy. Why? Because they were getting scared of the dragon, and as soon as the dragon slept, they felt relieved and they started jumping with joy. Okay, children? Now let's recall the word starting with letter X that we found in the story. Okay, children? Xenia, X for Xenia. Zeno, X for Zeno. Xylophone, X for xylophone. Okay, children, these were the three words which I have used, main words which I have used in the story starting with the letter X. Okay, I hope you all understood the words and what is the sound of X. Yes, so now take out your brown cover book and start practicing uppercase and lowercase letter X. Okay, children, thank you. Bye bye.